Okay, so this is the start of the IGP for the SuperLab 1. And as we know, SuperLab 1 is going to be an OSPF lab. Now, what we have here is among the PEs and the route reflector, we have OSPF version 2 and we have it on everywhere. And we're using OSPF version 2 rather than the Realm IP version 4 in OSPF version 3. So we've got OSPF version 2 on everywhere, and it extends up to the route reflector, which is on interface 4206 here that you can see. Now, we also have OSPF version 3 on everywhere as well, except the route reflector. So version 3 is on everywhere, that's going to be carrying our IP version 6, and version 2 is on everywhere, including the route reflector. Now, we also have a not so stubby area on routers 3, 4, 5 and 6. We can see that here in orange, which will also correspond to the LDP area later. Now, the way this is configured without the Realm IP version 4 looks quite basic, but it's worth going through. So we've got the loopback here in both version 2 and in version 3. And we've got the router ID set as well. So again, the loopback here in version 2 and in version 3 and the router ID. Now, router 6 here, as you can see, is in area 1, not so stubby area, for both version 2 and for version 3. So just worth noting that it's in both. We've got a not so stubby area here. Now, routers 4 and 5 are entirely in the not so stubby area, and router 3 and router 6 have their interfaces here. And if you remember, this particular example, very similar to the workbook, this is all about router 6 and the pressure it's going to feel. And the reason is that router 3 and router 6 are ABRs for this not so stubby area, but router 6 and router 5 are ASBRs for this data center. And the real challenge here is the pressures that router 6 is going to feel as it tries to fulfill its ABR commitments to OSPF with things like area range, and its ASBR commitments to this data center, because obviously we're going to be trying to redistribute routes into and out of the data center that's running RIP. However, at the same time, its OSPF summaries are going to have real trouble with that. And so this is really all about router 6 and the pressures it's going to feel.